Now we have the tractors here. That's Moreton show here. We have the Ferguson 35X there. We've got the Fords and Super Major there. Enough for your Universal 4 there. And something different there. McCormick International there. Fords and Major. David Brown there. Bristol 20. Camaraderie here, but a conversation going on here. At Moreton show, I've got some TE20s here as well. Ferguson TE20. There's 3 of them here. There we are. One there. Quick fag there. And another. We have another one here. David Brown. Open one there. There we are. Fordson there. Matthew Harris there. Cormac Standard, there we are. I think there's probably an Alice Chalmers, John Deere. And here we are. Petrol powered clip track there. There we are, clip track. 1937 to 41. And it's an American board here. Well, there we are. There's tracks here. Now we also have some at the back here. This is Moreton show, turned out bright. Yeah. This afternoon we've got some front of the tractors here. This is near gate 4, by the way. The Ford's in there on the makeshift cab there. The Ford 3910H there. Ford 6610 there. Bigger, getting bigger all the time. Over the years, of course, this is the Ford 8100. Slightly smaller than the late 1970s. That's Ferguson 550. 35X, isn't it? 35X, there we are. That's Ferguson with a roll bar. County 4000. Leyland 253. Moving on down the line here, we've got enough here, the BMC diesel there. That's Ferguson 175. Bit of restoration need here, the Muir Hill there. Various makes, models and specifications here there with a farm, with Cormac Farm all there. International Cormac there, and the BMC Mini here. There we are, smaller garden tractor there. Probably quite a big garden. There we are, here at Moreton show.